Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a really powerful new platform from Zoho called Zia Agents. We're going to break down exactly what it is, how you can use it, and why it might just be a total game changer for your business. So let's get right into it. I want you to just imagine this for a second. Instead of just setting up a simple little automation, what if you could actually build, train, and deploy a custom AI employee? I'm talking about a digital team member designed from the ground up to handle a very specific role inside your company. That's the huge idea we're exploring today. And this is the tool that makes all that possible. Zia Agents is a low-code platform that lets you create these intelligent, autonomous agents. You should really think of it as your own personal workshop for building out a digital workforce, one piece at a time. And that is the key metaphor we're going to stick with, because it's perfect. Building a Zia agent isn't just about coding a script. It's exactly like hiring and training a new AI employee for a specific job. And just like any new hire, it needs three essential things: a clear job description, the right knowledge to draw from, and the right tools to actually do its job. So let's start with that very first step. Before you can build anything, you have to know what it's for. You've got to write its job description. This is where you give your new AI agent its mission. Right here in the agent info section, you define its role. Something like customer support agent, and you give it a clear set of instructions like assist customers with their questions and always maintain a professional tone. This isn't just some label. This is its core programming, its reason for being. Okay, so our AI employee has its job description. Check. But a job description isn't enough, right? It needs knowledge. It needs training. So now, this is where we build its brain. The agent's brain is called the knowledge base, and really, it's a curated library of information that you provide. This is the source of truth your agent will use to understand context, to answer questions, and to make decisions. Without this, the agent only knows its instructions, but it doesn't know anything about your products or your company policies or your customer. And you've got a bunch of ways to teach it. You can upload documents right from your computer. You can connect it to shared files in Zoho WorkDrive, import training material directly from Zoho Learn, or you can even just point it at a website and tell it to learn from all that public information. You are in complete control of its education. And once you've fed it all that good information, this is what you get. It's a digital library that the agent can search and reference in an instant. This screen here shows all the documents that are ready to be used. This knowledge is really what gives the agent the substance it needs to be helpful and, most importantly, accurate. So our agent has a job description and a brain that's full of knowledge. But right now, it can only think. To be truly useful, it needs hands. It needs the ability to actually do things. And this slide just nails the difference. An agent without tools is kind of like a consultant who can only give you advice. But an agent with tools, well, it becomes an active participant in your business. It can go into your CRM, fetch a customer's record, update a deal's stage, or create a support ticket in your help desk. The tools are what turn all that knowledge into real action. So, what can it do? Well, these are the four basic actions. In the world of APIs, they're called get, post, put, and delete. But just look at the purpose column. It's actually really simple. It can get information, create new things, update stuff that already exists, or remove things. These are the fundamental building blocks for pretty much any action in a business. And here's the really cool part. You don't have to be some master developer to give your agent these tools. Zia Agents comes with a whole library of predefined actions for all the different Zoho apps. You can just browse through, find the action you need, like create a task in Zoho Projects or send an email from Zoho CRM, and just add it to your agent's toolkit. Simple as that. But what if you do need more control, or you want to connect to a system that isn't from Zoho? You can do that too. For the more technical folks out there, you can define your own tools completely from scratch using a standard format called YAML. This gives you the ultimate flexibility to make the agent do literally anything an API can do. Of course, you can't just give an agent a powerful tool without also giving it permission to use it. That's where connections come in. You can think of them as secure digital keycards that make sure your agent only accesses the apps and the data it's supposed to. It's the security layer.
All right, so we've got all the pieces: the job description, the brain, and the hands. Now let's see what it looks like when our AI employee is fully assembled and ready to go.
This is such a great summary. On the left, you see the agent info. That's its core purpose, its job description. And over on the right, you see all the resources it's been given. the brain, which is the knowledge base it has studied, and the hands, the specific tools it can use to perform actions. All of these pieces come together to create one functional agent. And of course, before you let your new AI employee loose on your business, you need to make sure it can actually do its job right. The platform has a built-in testing environment where you can give the agent a sample task like, hey, go get the record for lead number 57387, and you can watch it execute the action. You get to verify it works perfectly before it ever touches real live data.
Okay, so we've seen how to build an agent, but what's the big deal? Why is this a potential game changer? Well, it's all about moving beyond simple single-task automation.
Here's the real difference maker. Most automation connects one trigger to one action. A Zaya agent, though, it can understand a complex request, consult its knowledge base, and then use multiple tools across different apps to complete an entire workflow. For example, it could take a support email, create a ticket in Desk, pull that customer's sales history from CRM, and then assign a task in Projects for a follow-up, all from just one single prompt. This just blows the doors wide open for creating agents for basically any role in your business. You could build a support agent, an agent that summarizes long CRM records on command, a technical writer that drafts documentation for you, a data analyst, a marketing specialist, a project coordinator. The possibilities are really only limited by your imagination and the processes you want to make better. And that brings us right back to our core idea. This isn't just another automation tool. The ambition here is so much bigger. It's about giving you the ability to construct a scalable, intelligent, digital workforce that operates right alongside your human team. So that leaves us with one final, and I think very exciting question. Now that the tools are here to build your very own AI employees from the ground up, what job are you going to give them first?